If you want to work with more audio formats in Audacity, then installing FFmpeg is one of the most useful setup steps you can do. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to install FFmpeg in Audacity on Windows, how to connect it properly, and what to do if Audacity already detects it automatically. This is a quick process, and once it's set up, you'll have a much easier time importing and exporting a wider range of media files. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is open your web browser and go to the official FFmpeg download page. It is very important that you use the official source so you know you're getting the correct and safe version of the files. Once the page loads, look for the 64-bit Windows installer. This is usually an exe file, and if you are on a modern Windows computer, this is the version you will most likely need. Click the download link and save the installer to your computer. After the download finishes, open your Downloads folder and run the installer file. Windows may ask if you want to allow the app to make changes to your device. Click Yes to continue. Now the setup wizard will open. Go through the installation prompts and accept the license agreement when asked. For most users, the default settings are the best choice, so you can simply click Next through the standard options without changing anything. When you get to the install step, click Install and wait for the process to finish. Once the installer is complete, click Finish to close the setup window. At this point, the FFmpeg files are installed on your computer, but the next step is making sure Audacity can actually find them. So now, restart Audacity if it is already open. This helps Audacity refresh its library detection and look for the newly installed FFmpeg components. After Audacity opens again, go to the Edit menu at the top, then click Preferences. In the Preferences window, find and select Libraries. This is where Audacity manages external format support, including FFmpeg. Inside the Library section, click the Locate button. Audacity will now try to detect FFmpeg automatically. If a message appears saying it already found FFmpeg automatically, then you are basically done. In that case, just click No and you do not need to browse for anything manually. That means Audacity has successfully detected the library on its own. But if that message does not appear, don't worry, you can still connect it manually. Click Browse, then navigate to the FFmpeg folder you downloaded or installed earlier. What you are looking for is the avformat-star.dll file. Select that file, then click Open. After that, click OK, then OK again to close the Preferences window and save your settings. And that's it. FFmpeg should now be installed and connected to Audacity. You can now use Audacity with more advanced audio import and export options, which is especially helpful if you work with different video and audio file types. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.